back to my channel. I'm so glad you're able to tune in for today's video. So this look today is something simple, nothing crazy. I mean, it's pretty. It's like, wow, in your face. It's toned down because I toned it down with the lips. Fun up top, but like nude down here, so it's like okay. But I think you guys will really enjoy this. I call this the Spice Chai makeup look. I think it would be a wonderful look to wear to the fair. There's all these fairs going on, the haunted houses for fall, October. This is like the start of all the fall tutorials I'm going to be bringing to you guys anyways. So this is like the kickoff for the first one, and this one I had to just really bring it for you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share with all your friends, and be sure to subscribe. That way you'll be one of the first ones to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys again for staying tuned and watching my video. Bye.
Going in with my Starry Eyeliner gel in chocolate, I'm just going to outline my eyebrows and then fill them in. And then use my spoolie to make them fuller. Now using the Scotch Tape, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and make sure it doesn't be as sticky. Using this Wet n Wild paint pot. Now going again with this Mirage Palette that I picked up from my store. I'm going to use this Fuego color as my transition color. Next on the palette, I'm going to use this color called Canyon. Go ahead and place it in the crease of your eye. Next, taking my MAC color, I'm going to place I'm Into It into my crease as well. Now I'm just going to deepen my crease with that color. Taking a clean blending brush, go ahead and blend those colors. Now taking a flat shader brush, go ahead and use that same paint pot, and we're going to clean up our lid for our new color. Next on the palette, I'm going to use Adventurous. Make sure this color is opaque on the lid. If need be, go ahead and go back with that color that you used previously for your crease and deepen it some more. Next, just build up the colors if you feel like they might have came off during the application of the lid. Taking a wipe, I'm just going to clean up the fallout underneath my eye. Using the Wet n Wild paint pot, go ahead and add more of the white underneath your eye. Taking the Fuego, I'm going to add it underneath the eye as well. Next, using the MAC I'm Into It, I'm going to use it as my eyeliner. Next, using my E.L.F. eyeliner, I'm going to line my eyes. Go ahead and add your mascara of your liking. I'm using the Rimmel London Extra Super Lash. Next, I'm going to apply these Ardell Professional Wispies. Y'all don't laugh at me, but I'm going to use my bonding glue to attach my lashes. They work and they don't, you know, rip out my lashes. Y'all don't put on a lot, so it's okay. Next, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with my LA Girl Sweet Lip Scrub. Next, using my LA Colors face primer, I'm going to prime my face. Next, I'm going to conceal with my LA Colors Conceal Correct. Now for my foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 368 Deep Golden. To conceal, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro-conceal in the color Fawn. So I was trying to silicone sponge out, but I didn't really like it because wasn't really spreading out the concealer that much. So I just used the other sponge, this pink one, to spread it out more, and then followed it suit with this brush. Now using these wedges, I'm just going to put on my powder for my concealer in the color Toffee 330 by Maybelline Fit Me. Now for my face powder, I'm just going to use my L'Oreal True Match in the color Nut Brown. Go ahead and remove that Maybelline Fit Me from underneath your eyes. Now right here, I'm just going to blend everything out. Going back into my Mirage Palette, I'm going to use Fuego to intensify the color. I'm going to do the same with my MAC I'm Into It color as well for my eyeliner. Just taking a clean brush, go ahead and blend those colors. Next for my highlighter, oh my god y'all, it's so pretty. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the color Bloom Time, Megaglo. Now taking a clean brush, I'm just going to blend that highlighter out. Next for mascara, I'm just using LA Colors Wowie. Using my E.L.F mist, I'm just going to mist my face. Next for my lips, I'm going to line them in NYX Expresso. Taking a clean angled brush, go ahead and blend that color. Next, I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeleine. Last but not least, I'm using the NYX Lip Gloss in SandDune. Thanks again for watching my video. Bye.